In this practice, we will use a variety of ways to select elements. Use the filter dialog box to only select one type of element, select only elements of one type in a view, and use the type selector to change the type. We will then modify element locations using temporary dimensions. Open Structural Select RVT file from the Practice Files folder. The file should automatically open to the Structural Plans Level 1 view. Create a selection window around the building by selecting a point just outside the upper left corner of the building, and while continuing to hold the left mouse button, drag the mouse towards the lower right corner and click the Select to Second point. All the elements inside the window are selected, and those outside the window are not selected. Press Escape. Select the building again, but this time use the crossing window by selecting a point just outside the upper right corner of the building, and while continuing to hold the left mouse button, drag the mouse toward the lower left corner. All of the elements inside and touching the window are selected. In the status bar, click Filter. In the Filter dialog box, review the selected categories. Click Check None. Select only the Structural Columns category and click OK. The total number of the structural columns in the selection set display in the status bar. In Properties, the display indicates that multiple families are selected. Click in an empty space in the view to clear the selection. Zoom in on the lower left corner of the building and select one structural column. In the Type Selector, the column name and type are displayed. In the view, right-click, expand, select all instances, and select Visible in View. The total number of this type of column displays in the status bar besides the filter and in Properties. Expand the Type Selector and select W-Wide Flange Column W12 by 40. The view regenerates and the selected columns are updated to the new type. Zoom out to see the entire building. Select Grid Line C. If the temporary dimensions are not displayed in the option bar, click Activate Dimensions. The temporary dimensions are automatically connected to the closest structural elements. Use the Move Witness Line controls on the temporary dimensions to move them to the nearest grid lines. Click Make this temporary dimension line permanent. Click an empty space in the view to release the selection. The new dimensions are now part of the view. Select Grid Line C again. Click Activate Dimensions if needed. Select the lower dimension text and change it to 24 feet. Press Enter. The model regenerates and the percentage of completion is displayed in the status bar. This change is being made to the grid line and throughout the model wherever elements touch the grid line. Save and close the project.